This iconic view shaped generations, but its origin is forgotten. A single photograph sparked a profound cultural shift. In 1968, humanity reached for the moon's desolate surface. Apollo 8 carried 3 astronauts toward this lunar goal. Frank Borman, Jim Lovell, and William Anders orbited our world. Their mission, to photograph the moon for future landings. But Christmas Eve brought an unexpected, breathtaking sight. Something truly remarkable appeared above the lunar horizon. As Apollo 8 rounded the moon, Earth rose majestically. It was a blue marble against the black cosmic void. Astronaut Bill Anders quickly grabbed his Hasselblad camera. He loaded it with a custom-modified color film magazine. This was the first time humans saw Earth like this. From a distant, alien, lifeless perspective, our home. Anders aimed his lens, capturing the vibrant sphere. He took several frames, immortalizing the incredible moment. One specific photo became known as Earthrise. It showed our planet's curved edge, half-illuminated, serene. The image contrasted sharply with the barren moonscape foreground. This spontaneous capture defined humanity's view of itself. It was broadcast live to millions across the globe.
Earthrise instantly became a cultural phenomenon worldwide.
This photograph transcended national and political boundaries. It fostered a new sense of shared human identity. People saw Earth not as nations, but as one fragile system. It powerfully symbolized our planet's delicate isolation in space. This image became an icon for the burgeoning environmental movement. Activists referenced Earthrise in their calls for conservation. It helped inspire the first Earth Day in 1970. Earthrise shifted human perspective profoundly and permanently. It reminded us of Earth's beauty and vulnerability simultaneously. Carl Sagan later articulated the pale blue dot concept. This iconic photo was its powerful visual predecessor. It made us realize our collective responsibility for this world. The image is a constant reminder of our shared home. It emphasizes unity over division, preservation over destruction. Even today, its message resonates deeply across cultures. Earthrise truly changed how humanity perceives its place. It showed us we are all passengers on this cosmic vessel, a fragile, vibrant oasis in a vast, cold universe. This single photo continues shaping our understanding of life. The Earthrise image remains a powerful cultural artifact. It urges us to protect our unique, interconnected planet. Its silent message echoes across the decades, loud and clear. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of space imagery.